Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We're going to do some regex today, and what we're going to do is we're going to match the first word in a string and match the last word in a string. So let me just set this up. Okay, make it big like that. So I'm going to create a subroutine called first word. This is the subroutine, and I'm going to create a scalar variable called my string. So this is going to be my string, and we're just going to type in something like this is a string. And now we're going to get user input. I'm going to create a scalar variable called search. So this is going to be a search, and I'm going to assign it to prompt and tell the user enter a word. So the user will enter a word there, and now we're going to do the evaluation with the if conditional. So if the string, and we're going to use the matching operator here, but I have a problem on my computer because that key is not working, so I've got a little workaround for it. Yeah, I know, every other computer I've got the key, this key works, but on this computer for some reason I've got a problem with it. It just does not work. I can't get it working. Anyway, okay, so let's paste that in. I think they call this the tilde operator, and that's going to match, and with the regex, and this character here will match the first word in the sentence, which is contained in search. Okay. Right, what we're going to do is print out, say, matched first word, and that's going to be search there. Or else, if that's not the case, we're going to print, say, no match found. Okay. Okay, now we're going to run the program, and the program's called first word. We're going to save it. I'm going to run the program in the terminal, and you do that by typing in Raku and the name of the program. So this is called test.raku. Hit enter, and we're going to enter a word. Let's enter this. Okay, so match the first word. Okay, let's run it again. Raku test.raku. Let's enter string. No match found. Okay. Okay, let's clear that. Now we're going to do it for the end of the word. So we'll just change this here to search. Okay, so first word, we're going to call this last word. Okay, let's run that. Raku test.raku, hit enter, enter the last word, string. Okay, that should be matched last word. And if we run it again, Raku test.raku. Okay, this, no match found. Okay, here's another version of it. So basically what we're going to do, we've got the string there, so if the string matches, JJJ, say match, else say no match. So let's just save that. Let's just run it. Raku test.raku, hit enter, no match. So basically what we do is enter the first word, and with this character here it should match the first word in this string, which is this. So Raku test.raku, hit enter, match. Okay, let's match the last word in the string here using this character. Let's save that. Raku test.raku. Okay, hit enter, and we got no match because this isn't the last word in the string. So we type in the last word in the string here. Let's save it. Let's run the program again. Raku test.raku, hit enter, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. You've got a match. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.